Have you ever wondered why your winters are not as cold as they used to be, or why summers seem to be getting hotter? Notice how the seasons are shifting, the flowers blooming earlier, and the birds migrating at different times. It's as if the rhythm of nature is offbeat. Perhaps you've sensed this unsettling change, this creeping transformation in our world. It's not your imagination playing tricks. These changes are not mere coincidences, but signs of a bigger problem we call global warming. The history of global warming is as old as the Industrial Revolution. Indeed, the roots of this crisis trace back to the late 18th century, when the wheels of progress began to spin at an unprecedented pace. The Industrial Revolution, a period of rapid industrialization and innovation, set the world on a new trajectory. But with this progress came a heavy price. As industries flourished, so did our reliance on fossil fuels. Coal, oil, and natural gas became the lifeblood of our modern world, powering everything from factories to automobiles. Yet these fossil fuels had a dark side. When burned, they released vast amounts of greenhouse gases, particularly carbon dioxide, into the atmosphere. Over time, these gases began to accumulate, forming a thick, invisible blanket around our planet. This blanket trapped heat from the sun, gradually increasing the Earth's temperature. This phenomenon, known as the greenhouse effect, is the primary driver of global warming. As the 20th century rolled in, our thirst for fossil fuels only grew. More factories, more cars, more power plants, all pumping more and more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Our technological advances and economic growth came at the expense of our planet's health. This relentless pursuit of progress, coupled with a lack of understanding and action, led to an alarming increase in global temperatures. As we progressed, our planet regressed, setting the stage for a climate crisis. So, what exactly is happening to our planet? To answer this, we need to delve into the science behind global warming. First, let's talk about greenhouse gases. You've probably heard of these before. They include carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases are naturally present in our atmosphere and play a crucial role in making Earth habitable by trapping some of the sun's heat. This is known as the greenhouse effect. However, human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes are causing an increase in the concentration of these gases in our atmosphere. The result? An enhanced greenhouse effect. This means more heat is trapped, leading to an increase in Earth's average temperature. This is what we refer to as global warming. Now, a few degrees might not sound like much, but it's enough to tip the balance of our planet's delicate ecosystems. One of the most visible consequences of global warming is the melting of our polar ice caps. As the ice melts, it adds more water to our oceans, leading to rising sea levels. This isn't a problem for just the polar bears or penguins. It threatens coastal cities and islands, home to millions of people. Let's not forget the increase in extreme weather events, from scorching heat waves to devastating hurricanes and floods. These are not only destructive, but also pose a significant risk to human life and infrastructure. Moreover, global warming affects biodiversity. Many species are struggling to adapt to these rapid changes, and as a result, we're seeing an alarming rate of species extinction. This loss of biodiversity can destabilize ecosystems and impact the services they provide, from pollination of crops to clean water. So, to sum it up, the science is clear. We're turning up the heat on our planet, and the consequences are being felt worldwide. Global warming isn't just a distant threat, it's happening here and now. It's like we've given our planet a fever, and the symptoms are getting worse. Our actions are causing a fever, and Earth is the patient. Now, knowing all this, what can you do? You might be wondering how an individual can affect such a gargantuan issue like global warming. Well, the answer lies in the power of collective action. You see, our daily routines have a more profound impact on the environment than we might realize. Just by being more mindful of our energy consumption, we can make a significant difference. Turn off the lights when you leave a room, unplug devices that aren't in use, and consider energy-efficient appliances for your home. Think about your waste habits as well. Recycling is not just a trend, it's a necessity. By repurposing what we can and responsibly disposing of what we can't, we can reduce the strain on our planet's resources. Moreover, voice your support for renewable energy alternatives. Advocate for wind, solar, and hydropower. These sustainable sources are the future of energy, and they need our backing to become the norm. Remember, every single action counts. Your choices can help cool down our warming planet. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment saying you subscribed, and we'll do our best to get back to you.